acne, especially on your face, it's hard. There's just no getting around that. So what do people do? Usually they reach for some kind of acne medication. Sometimes those medications just make it worse or have significant side effects. There are natural plant-based approaches that can soothe acne long-term and won't create any side effects. Hi, I'm Andrea Bouget, founder of Aromahead Institute, and this recipe is one of those natural remedies that has really been effective for a lot of people. It's very simple. It's just made of 2 hydrosols. Frankincense hydrosol, which is so lovely and has a beautiful grounding aroma, and German chamomile hydrosol, which is made from those gorgeous little chamomile flowers and is beautiful. So the recipe is very simple. It's half of each in a 2-ounce or 60 ml glass spray bottle. And then you just spray that right on the area of your skin where the acne is, or any kind of skin irritation, really. Now, hydrosols, in case you're not familiar, are a wonderful product that come from distillation. Whenever we distill a plant, we get 2 resulting products. We get an essential oil, and we also get a hydrosol. And I love hydrosols because they're way less concentrated than essential oils. So they're very safe to use on the skin. We don't really risk any possibility of irritation. You can use essential oils for acne as well, but for this recipe, we're going to use hydrosols. So all I'm going to do is just put it in the spray bottle, right? So I'm going to put half frankincense and half German chamomile. And you don't need to measure. You can just eyeball it, and you may end up really liking the aroma of one of them better than the other, or you might try them individually and see which one is more effective for you. I've personally found that they're a great combination. And I love how easy this blend is to make, because that way you can just make up a batch and have it around for quite a while. And then when you need to make it again, no big deal, right? All right, so I'm just gonna put the spray top on, give it a quick shake, and then you would literally just spray this right on your face or wherever the acne was multiple times a day. This is a safe recipe for children, for babies, and for adults, and very effective. If you're curious about essential oils and acne, I did do another video where I talked just about essential oils and acne. It's called When to Apply Essential Oils to Get Rid of Acne. And in that recipe, I use patchouli and lavender and tea tree and lemon in aloe vera gel. So you can just find that right here on my video channel, and I will put a link in the description below in case you want to see that recipe too. Okay, well, best of luck with the acne, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.